Hey everybody, this is Ellie with Alabama Extension. Now we're going to go over how we grind all of this up. So first we're going to do a coarse grind. I've already done a little bit of it. It's going to look like this. And then next we're going to add our seasonings into it, and then we're going to do a fine grind, and I will show you all the plates for that. But to start, you want to make sure you wash your hands and wear some gloves. And then we're going to take our meat and we're going to throw it in here. There is a hole that goes down, and so it'll go around the auger and spit it out. You will see I have a little stick that I use to push it down in there. Don't stick your fingers in there. Don't stick your fingers in this way. Don't stick your fingers this way, okay? We need all of our fingers by the end of this. So we'll start with that. We'll get it going, and then in a minute I'll come back and show you how we mix the seasoning.